This video will help to learn texture, which is one of the elements of design of landscape garden. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos posted here. Texture is the smoothness or roughness of surface of an object. Texture adds variety and interest. It has the power to attract or detract a viewer's eyes and can be applied to lines, shapes, and forms. Texture may be tactile or visual. Tactile texture is felt by sense of touch. Visual texture is felt by sense of vision. It is used in designing landscape gardens. Both softscape and hardscape elements have visual texture. Visual texture may be coarse, medium, or fine. Coarse textured plants have high visual weight. They have bold or irregular form. Branches are thick or may possess spines or thorns. Leaves are large or with irregular edges or with bold deep veins or with spines or with variegated colors. Medium textured plants have medium visual weight. They have rounded or mounding form. Branches are medium-sized, which are neither densely spaced nor widely spaced. Leaves are medium-sized with simple shapes and smooth edges. Fine textured plants have low visual weight. They have tall, thin stems with many small fragile branches. Leaves are small and delicate or thin and strappy. Flowers are small and delicate. To make a small space feel larger, place the fine texture in the back, medium texture in the middle and coarse texture in the front. To make a large space feel smaller, place the coarse texture in the back, medium texture in the middle and fine texture in the front.